My back brake light doesn't work. That was easier than I thought it would be. Can I ask a favor? Where the key at? I need the key. Oh my god. I love loud. Yo, what's good people? It's your boy Ghost back again with another video, and today we're taking it back to where I bought the bike. I've got a little issue with the bike already, unfortunately. First of all, sorry the bike is mad dirty. I got caught in the rain the other day. It needs another wash. This always happens to me, bro. That's what it's like when you're an all-weather rider, innit? It just happens. But anyway, my back brake light doesn't work. I mean, the brake light itself works, but when you press the back brake, the light is a little bit. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. You have to press it like really, really hard for it to actually work. But we're gonna go get that fixed today. Those of you who watched the last video who know the back looks a little bit different. Just a teeny bit different. A couple of differences here and there. I got the ZX10 mirrors. These ones I found out they're not genuine. Look at this. Look at the quality on this. Absolutely terrible. The way they fold as well. I can't ride like that. The thing hits and then it's just no, man. I need to send these back ASAP. I've got the TST tail light. I've got a flip and dip, and I have the TST indicators as well. I fitted this all myself the other day. First time I ever did that. It literally took hours. Never again. Way too much time. But anyway, let's get on the road. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film actually riding there. Let's just get there and take a look at some sick bikes, because there's a lot of nice bikes in this place. Let's get it. Oh, a nice area. Oh my gosh. I love coming down these sides. Completely different side to London. We in Watford, baby. And we are here. What's going on, man? How's it going? What are you working on now?
Always.
The brake light switch for the back brake, I don't think you have to push it in really hard for it to activate.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's actually it. I'll run with it, see how.
Tested it, so
Yeah.
it does it
Yeah.
faster. Look,
That's
it's
fine.
the rubber back.
That was easier than I thought it would be. Thank you, my guy.
Not a problem.
But look at this. Look at this. Lads, look at these amazing bikes. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. There was an R1M. It looks like it's gone though. It looks like it's gone. We have the big H2 over here. The big H2 over here. Look at all of this. Oh my, is it sold already? I don't know. No, it's not even sold yet. 18995 right here. I ain't got money like that. I do not have money like that. Look at this. Look at this. I want to sell it so bad, but I know I can't. The ASV levers. It's got these indicators here, the little mirrors under the winglets. Someone spec this out really nicely, really nicely. On the plate, H2. Oh my goodness! Seeing this thing in person and seeing it on YouTube or TV, two completely different things. This is amazing. Look at this. I feel like Look. I can imagine myself on this. Look at that. Doesn't that just fit perfectly? I can imagine myself on this. Look at that. These Ducatis over here. Look at this, all carbon. Hiya, you right? Amazing. Is this a V4R? That's crazy. That is insane. The single exit at the back. Oh my days. I want one of these so bad. I want one of these so bad. What's going on, man? Yeah, not bad.
See you, man.
Good to see you too.
You've been speaking like 3 different people on WhatsApp. Because during the day it's my partner or my
Oh, right, okay.
and then not me. What's the issue with the bike? I need to sort out.
It's fixed already.
Huh?
It's fixed already. He fixed it. He
Oh,
sorted it straight away. It was just literally an adjustment.
Happy days.
Literally.
I like the kit, man. Look good.
Yeah, appreciate it. These are old though. I need a new one, man. Let's get some boots as well still.
You need you some boots.
I do.
That you need to. Not matching the rest
Can I ask a favour? A big favour.
Yeah, what's up?
Can I start the HT?
Push it.
Oh my god.
Don't knock it over. That's all I ask.
Nah. Where the key at?
Huh?
I need the key.
You want the key?
Yeah, please. Look at this, bro. Check this. This inventory goes crazy, bro. We've got. Is that a VFR? No, it's actually a CBR. It's a CBR. I'm guessing it's a 5-blade, one of the older ones. This one here, obviously, big boy 5-blade. 2 more H2s here. This is one of the newer ones because it's got the newer, well, the legendary colours on it. And this one is, I think this is the OG one? With that sparkle over there, it's insane. Domino grips. This one I expect out as much as the other one. Is the exhaust stock? I think it is. The inventory here, like, it's not a lot, but it's special. The 749 over here. I've never seen one of these in person, but damn, do they look good. Thank you. Wrong one. Too many H2s. All of these, we've got XRs. I think they're all XRs, are they? This one is a KTM. This is a Honda Crossrunner. This one looks alright. When I came last time, there was a really big. It was like it was similar to what's the big Honda called, man? I can't remember. I'll put it here for you to see. Here we go. S1000 and the R1M. Yes. What's that? I love loud. Yeah, of course. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my god. It sounds crazy. Insane.
Now look, I'm revving it to like 4 or 5,000.
Yeah.
6. That goes all the way to 14 before it red lines.
What the fuck?
So this thing can set off an alarm. This is insane, bro.
Oh my days. Tell me you've ridden it. Tell me how to go.
This one I've ridden the white and blue.
Oh my. How was it?
On here last year.
How was it?
Look, for a sport bike, it's
Yeah.
big and lumpy. You can feel how big it is.
Yeah.
But when that turbo kicks in,
Nuts. Crazy.
You gotta be brave. This is probably the only bike I will never, on a public road, I will never be brave enough to pin it all the way. Because every bike, like 600s, couple of thousand, right? On an empty bit motorway, you can open the throttle and you can hold on to that throttle and see how quick it goes.
Yeah.
And eventually it starts to run out of how much it's giving you, right? This will never run out.
Never.
Because you can do 300 plus kilometers a day. It will keep going.
Yeah.
So that's madness.
Nuts. Insane. There's just not enough road, is there? It's not enough road.
Version, they do a non-road version.
Yeah.
H2R.
Yeah.
Which has got like an extra 60 brake horsepower. So it sounds even faster, even more
crazy. Why does no one make crazy bikes anymore like this?
Because it doesn't make money. It's like to show off what you can
What
do.
they can do, yeah.
The Bugatti was the same story. VW lost money on the first 100 Bugatti they made. To show off what they could do. became a trend for rich people, not me. So now they're going to do it. First, it was just an exercise to show off.
Yeah.
To show what their engineering is capable of.
Mm.
But there's no money in doing so.
I guess so. Yeah. For the masses, no one wants it. No one can afford it. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Literally. Literally. I've seen people trying to take it around the track. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Yeah. Thank you. Man. Now you've seen the power of the H2, man. It's crazy. Ridiculously loud. Like, the camera will never do it justice, just how loud that was.
They look good.
They look amazing.
They're one of the most comfortable bikes to sit on because you got like a little backrest.
Yeah, yeah.
They're actually super comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
You just fast as fuck.
Oh my gosh. Back over here. After the fanboying, bro. We had the R1M and the S1000. There's an MV Augusta here. We've seen these ones before. Oof, couple Triumphs over here. Is that a Speed Triple RS? Is a Speed Triple RS? These sound pretty nice, actually. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But the big boys, BMW S1000 and R1M. Last time I came here, I was attracted to this R1M, man. I think, oh my goodness, it just looks so good. And this model, especially the one where this I think is the first version where they have the big intake vent. The other one has the smaller intake vent. This one is my favorite looking one. It looks ridiculous. It looks so ridiculous. One thing I have to say is, look how small that speedometer looks like. When you see it on TV or on videos, it just looks way smaller than it actually is compared to, for example, the TFT display is just way bigger on the BMW S1000. But I guess it's not something that you really notice too much. As long as you can see the numbers, how fast you're going, that's what that matters. Yeah, this ain't a stock exhaust. What is this? Maybe Acura. I'm not too sure. But all these bikes are looking amazing. I feel like I'm in heaven here. Anyway, let's get back on the road. I've got the motorway to ride on. I was enjoying it. It was amazing. It was a good little ride here on the M-way. Let's take it back. Big shout out to Kyle, R&C Motorcycles. Check it out. Alright, now that is over with, we're gonna make our way back home. Make our way back home. I love this bike so much, bro. We're gonna make our way back home and chill out for a bit. Let's go. You'll see why I don't like this mirror here on my left. It just moves around so much, as well as the fact is when I close it, I can't turn left or right. It's so stupid. Who designed this shit? So yeah, man, we got all of that sorted out. It was literally just a matter of adjusting the brake switch. I had no idea that was a thing, but if it goes wrong again, I guess I'll give it a try at some point. But those bikes, man, that H2, I'll be feeling some kind of way. I'm telling you now, I'll be looking different at my bike, bro. I'll be looking different at her. Because what the hell? Let's get it. Oh yeah. Get in the lane, brother. I'm sorry for the wind noise in advance. We're moving, baby. No, 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 no. I need to relax, bro. I need to relax. What am I doing? It's all about we're moving. Look how annoying that is. It's a little bit. Machines are made to go fast. How could I not? Just a little bit. Okay, and we're back. This bad boy Audi behind me, fam. First I thought it was police. I thought I was fucked. I thought my license was gone. But no, we're good. We're good. We're so good. Oh, snap. Yeah, man. Now that issue is solved, that was really my only really grab with this bike. I contacted Kyle and he set me up nicely. I didn't get to see him at the end. I don't know where he was. I was handling the business, but he took time out of his day to let me start up that H2, give it a couple of revs. That was sick. That was definitely the highlight of my biking career so far. Insane, bro. That H2 was so loud. Like I said before, the camera does not do it justice, man. The TV does not do it justice. When you just see it there right in front of you, sitting so pretty with the little sparkles and the paint glistening, it's a whole different level, man. A whole different level. But now my bike is fixed. Well, that it was broken. Little teething issues. Now that that's sorted out, we're good. I don't have to worry about anything. Listen, people, we all know the ZX6R is known around the world as like the premier, the stunter's choice of stunt bike, right? Because it's just so good with the wheelies. I sound like an old man there. It's so good with the wheelies. it's like the front end is so light, it just comes up so easily. Also, I don't think you need the oil pickup mode because I don't know, the way they've engineered it, it just doesn't need it. I think, if I remember correctly. It's just that there's many different reasons why it's the choice for stunting. With that being said, it's only right that I learn how to wheel this thing. It's only right. I don't know when I'm gonna start. I need to first find like a nice little strip or something, or I'm not gonna get in mad trouble for doing wheelies and stuff like that. But yeah, man, there's another video in the bag. Told you we back. I'm gonna try and make it a weekly thing. I can't, no promises. I mean, like, I should be able to. I mean, my schedule, right now I'm on 4 on 4 off, so my schedule should allow for it. All my 4 days off. Really, I should get like at least 2 videos done a week. But I'm aiming for 1 so far, just while we start. Just while we're getting back into the swing of things slowly, you know. But yeah, man. Hopefully this is probably too much of a long one. But I always say that, and then it ends up being like half an hour long, bro. I don't know how that happens, honestly. I just be waffling sometimes. But you know how it goes. I've been your boy Ghost. Thank you so very much for rocking with me. And I'm out. Love.